Why do you say that, Father? You aren't afraid, are you?
No, but I respect some of the superstitions of others.
So I can start making gold coin rings.
Hey y'all, welcome back to Calvin's Corner 72. Been watching a little football. I'm glad y'all come back to see me today. It's been a wild Saturday. Got some mail call. Pretty excited about it too. Whew. I believe this is from my old buddy Captain Jerk. The only way to start a mail call with Captain Jerk is, well, like that. That's Captain Jerk. I'll have his link down below. Y'all need to check him out if you like a little bit of high wire, intensity. And sometimes he's kind of low key, and he sings sometimes, which is really weird. But actually done pretty good. I'm very happy with it. Hearing him sing. It's pretty neat, man. All right, cool. What in the world is this? Okay, I guess I'll find out here in a minute. All right, cool. Got a little note right here. Check it out. It says, oh, he put it on a bill, Nobsky. Hey, Calvin, pay this bill for me. What? I'm just kidding. It says, hey, Calvin, this one's a whopper. Yeah. Hope you like it. Already made. Ha! He said he threw in something extra just because I'm cool, Captain Jerk. You're cool too, man. I appreciate it. We're you two brothers, right? Thank you, man. I appreciate it. What in the world? And I felt this in there, and I was like, what is this? What in the world is this? Have y'all have any idea what this is? I'm thinking it's some kind of, for archery. I think you put your thumb right here maybe, and you hold the arrow, or I don't know. I've got a trigger I use, so this won't be on my compound anyway. So I'm hoping he'll let me know what that is. Maybe there's a letter in here that tells me what it is. Wow. What? Crystal didn't send me nothing? After I sent her a necklace? Really? Come on, Crystal. I thought we was, like that. I'm just playing. It's cool. Oh, God, I don't know, boys. I tell you, I'm happy today. Today is Saturday, and we got all this football going on, and you see my helmet here, my Gator helmet, and everything on the computer saved. And I hope y'all liked my last video I did on my update. And thanks, Captain Jerk, for getting in on my football contest. So I really appreciate that. You're probably like me. You're like, well, you know what? If I don't know how to pick, I can just drag and drop somebody else's picks and get in anyway, right? There you go. And if you're really, really smart, you could have just dragged and dropped my picks and then deviate away a couple, 3 games later on in the season, and then you can beat me. It's too late now. Man. Look here. Hey, this wasn't used before, was it? This is toilet paper, isn't it? Oh, man, I'm playing with you. Man, that's a big ring. Look at that. Oh, shit. Look at the hammered finish. I'm telling you, the video you did of this, does not do it justice. It does not do it justice, y'all. Look at that. I freaking love it, dude. This is so much better than that damn coin. Sorry. God. Now that coin left this house not near as pretty as this. Man, check it out, y'all. Look at this. Look at the hammered detail. Can y'all see that? Look at that. Man, that is off the chain, dude. Now, in comparison, from this ring here, this is a 17, and it will fit my ring finger a little bit, and it fits my thumb real good. Y'all see me wear it on my thumb sometimes. But that's an 18, so it's just a tad bigger. 17, 18. And I really wanted this thing to be able to fit my middle finger, so I could go like that to Captain Jerk. So I'm hoping it'll fit my middle finger, so here we go. Dun 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 dun. Yeah, I need to lube it up. Man, it's pretty, man. I love it. The suspense is killing me. Hey, look, I'm trying, Captain Jerk. Alright, let's see. Oh, yeah, baby. That fits perfect, dude. I'm so happy. That is awesome, man. Yeah. Oh, man. I can have one over here, one right here. I'm blinging. You know what I thought about doing? I thought about, you said this thing, I turn my finger green or whatever. It might, but if I take some clear fingernail polish and put all over this thing and coat it inside and out, it'll take a while for it to wear that off to where it'll start, you know. So, that's what I'm going to do. Man, that's awesome, dude. Heck yeah. It's perfect. I mean, it's just a little bigger than the other, and that's what I needed, man. And, you know, when I first initially told you, hey, I wanted this at 17, I couldn't remember if it was a 17 or an 18. But, yeah, that's an 18. And she's snug, too, you know, so it won't come off. When I go deer hunting or something in the wintertime, I'm probably going to have gloves on, but I don't want it to, you know, your hand gets cold and your hands shrink up a little bit, and then that's how people lose their rings, you know. They go to a little lake or whatever, the water's cold, your hand shrinks up, boom, there goes the ring, you know. Man, that's freaking awesome, dude. Check it out. That is awesome. Thanks, Captain Jerk. I really appreciate it, man. It's awesome. Do some great work, man. Freak, yeah. Look at that. It's right on her just in time. Alright, man. Hey, I appreciate it. Y'all go check old Captain Jerk out. You see, he can make some awesome rings. And he can, this is an 1880, actually. Silver would come out of a silver dollar. So it's really, really, really cool. I really like that one. And I love this one because now I got one that'll fit my finger. Yes, guys, I have some big old fat fingers. Yeah. That's just the way it is. But I really, 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 really like Captain Jerk. He's got a lot of good video content. He's always doing giveaways, shout outs, you know. It's awesome, man. And I really, really appreciate it. What a awesome, 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 awesome mail call. So, y'all go check old Captain Jerk out and tell him Kevin Corner sent you. I'm out of here.